What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. This is iOS Breaker. In today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step method to remove an iCloud account from settings on supported checkm8 devices. This method is useful in cases where the original iCloud credentials are no longer accessible, allowing you to add a new account. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your computer is connected to a stable internet connection, as this process requires online verification. Once that's done, launch the tool and click on Register here to begin the ECID registration. When you click on Register here, your device's ECID will be automatically copied and pasted into the registration website. As you can see, the ECID is already filled in, so simply click the Register button to complete the registration. After registering, go back to the tool. Unplug your device and then plug it back in. This step allows the tool to verify the registration status. As you can see on the screen, the device has now been registered successfully. Now, for this method to work, your device must already be jailbroken. If your device is not jailbroken yet, you can click on the WinRail link that's embedded directly in the tool. This will open the WinRail jailbreak utility where you can jailbreak your device. In my case, the device is already jailbroken, so I'll move on to the next step. Next, click on Options, then select Open Menu. After that, go back to the main screen and click Start. As you can see, the Open Menu interface has now loaded successfully. Before proceeding, it's very important to understand this warning. This process will temporarily remove all iCloud accounts from settings. Do not erase or reset the device after using this method, as doing so may cause the device to become stuck on activation lock. Please keep that in mind before continuing. Once you are ready, click on Remove iCloud. The tool will begin the process, and after a few moments, the device will reboot automatically. After the device finishes rebooting, unlock it and head into Settings. As you can see, the iCloud account has now been removed from Settings, and you can add a new iCloud account if needed. And that's it. That's the complete Omor Ramdisk Prime Windows tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you